noun for unicorns is a blessing of unicorns, and we believe that all our children are indeed blessings to be nurtured and encouraged to grow into the best they can be. Set in the small and friendly lowveld town of Tzaneen in Limpopo, Unicorn Preparatory School is an English medium day school. We are driven by an English Christian ethos which encourages integrity, self-respect, and respect for others. Unicorn caters for boys and girls from grade R to grade 7, and we have currently over 350 pupils enrolled.
Hi, I am Bowden Cornish. I'm in grade 1A. I like Unicorn because Mrs. Kutzer teaches us, and I like how many things we learn.
My name is Nasrita Saji, and I love Unicorn because the teachers are nice and the teachers give us nice work, and my favorite thing is sports, and sports makes us fit. We were doing a speed test and I got 47 out of 47.
Unicorn's Grade R facility is set in beautiful gardens in a quiet corner of the school. Our Grade R facility has 2 large, well-appointed classrooms, an indoor play and creative area, as well as a well-equipped outdoor play area with all the necessary large motor skill developing apparatus. At Unicorn Preparatory School, the years from grade R to grade 3 are known as the foundation phase. We have a team of dedicated teachers who are deeply committed to developing a holistic and balanced education in a nurturing learning environment. We also have additional assistance for pupils who require learning support.
I love Unicorn because of all the sports in Unicorn, because every single one I do and I enjoy them.
My teacher's wonderful, and I love her, and she teaches us beautiful stuff. And I like the jungle gym.
My name's Noah Stewart. I love this place. It's Unicorn. I love it because it keeps me safe, and it's a wonderful place, and it puts a smile on my face.
I'm Lindeni, and I'm in grade 3. What I love about Unicorn is I've learned a lot. I love the sports, and I love the teachers, and I love the school. Thank you.
My name is Limpopo. I'm grade 3. I love this school because it's the best one I've ever been.
My name is Tristan Flocofisa, and I'm in grade 3B, and I love Unicorn because it teaches us things and it takes care of us, and it makes it so that we learn lots of things and we can become great grown-ups.